Good morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today and for the rest of the week. As we head into next week, we got a mixed bag of weather for you. We've got some snow, some rain, some sunshine, and how about temperatures climbing back near 70 degrees in our extended forecast. Got to wait through a little bit of cold weather and some precipitation in both the form of rain and snow, though, before we get to that very spring-like forecast for the end of the week. Let's go ahead and take you outside right now. We've got partly cloudy skies. So yeah, it is going to be a beautiful afternoon before things start to change here in the metro area, as we have a storm moving in, and that is going to bring us some rain, a little bit of snow, maybe a trace to 2 inches here in the metro area. So get outside and enjoy. I'm not sure what just happened to this camera. I had it up a second ago and I could see the snowy situation at the Eisenhower Johnson Tunnel, but that camera must have just gone down. But again, I can assure you just some light snow up in the high country, maybe another 1 to 2 inches of snowfall there today. 43 degrees, your forecast, your current temperature at DIA, winds out of the west-southwest at 10 miles per hour. So your weather headlines for today: mountain snow, it does come to an end. Again, another 1 to 2 inches of snow likely. It is going to be a chilly day in Denver with a few afternoon flakes across the northeast plains. We're looking at windy conditions, those winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour here in the metro area, a little bit stronger if you head out to the eastern plains, and a chance for some light rain and snow tonight. Heavier snow in the Front Range Mountains. Current temperatures, we're at 43 in Denver, 46 in Greeley, Fort Collins checking in at 43 degrees, 50 in Sterling, 50 in Ray. We are on our way to a high right around 50 degrees here in the metro area, and temperatures in the high country in the 20s and 30s. Today, partly cloudy, 50 degrees, your forecast high, breezy, a 20% chance. We'll see some afternoon snowflakes. A little bit of light rain transition to some snow. Winds out of the west-northwest, 10 to 30 miles per hour. Forecast highs mainly 50s across the plains, a few 60s down there across the southeast corner of Colorado, 20s and 30s in the mountains. Your wind gust forecast, again, we're talking about breezy conditions as we head into the 4, 5, 6 o'clock hours. Those winds gusting 20 plus miles per hour here in the metro area and out across the plains, but settling down as we head into the overnight hours. Your live radar looking pretty quiet out there right now. Again, really just a few light snow showers up in the high country, but tracking a system that is going to be making its way in from the south and west. We have that area of low pressure. There's that deep trough of low pressure continuing to move across the western half of the country, kind of settling in over Colorado, and that is going to direct our weather patterns for the next several days. An unsettled pattern of weather for the next several days, and that's also opening the door for some colder air to move in as well, and we're going to see that as we head into tomorrow, Friday, as well as Saturday, where we really feel that winter-like weather return to our forecast. Putting our forecast into motion, here is 1 o'clock this afternoon, and we do just have some very light snow showers continuing up in the high country, but again, most of the snow ending. As for the eastern plains, again, we're going to see some isolated showers move in, and then we clear out as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Tomorrow morning, waking up to a little bit of snow across the southern mountains, and that spreads along the I-70 corridor, both through the mountains and out across the plains by about 1, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So we're talking about snow in the mountains as well as across the plains, as well as some rain showers up across the northeast. So a little bit of a rain-snow mix across the plains as we head into tomorrow afternoon. The mountain snow continues, and then we see that rain transition over to snow tomorrow evening. Again, we're looking at a trace to maybe 2 inches here in the metro area. We start the day off Friday, not too eventful, and then Friday evening, again, snow moves in across the I-25 corridor, continuing into the evening hours, overnight as well. Heavier snow certainly down south, metro area south along I-25. And that is where we're going to see the higher accumulation. So taking a look at the metro area as we zoom in here, this is 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And we start to see, again, a little bit of snow moving in across Castle Rock south along I-25, some rain-snow mix as we head into tomorrow afternoon, and just some spotty light snow showers, but not much in terms of accumulation for tomorrow. So we are not calling in a weather impact alert for tomorrow. That happens Friday night into Saturday morning. So here is Friday afternoon, and you can see that snow starting to fall not just in the Front Range mountains, the foothills, but also all the way down to the metro area and some of the western suburbs. 4 o'clock, we see that snow, a little bit of rain snow mix, transition to all snow by 8 o'clock, and we're going to see off and on showers throughout the night, snowfall. That is those showers in the form of snow, and that means maybe about 2 to 5 inches in and around the metro area. And higher accumulations, Castle Rock south along I-25, where we could get 4 to 12 inches of snow, higher accumulation when you head west as well of the metro area. So tomorrow, again, trace to 2 inches of accumulation. We're going to get that afternoon, evening snow. Temperatures quite a bit chillier as well, topping out right around 39 degrees. And we talk about the weather impact for Friday evening through Saturday morning. Metro area snow, likely heavy wet snow south. Again, we're talking anywhere from about 4 inches to a foot of snow around Castle Rock and to the south along I-25. So that is certainly going to impact your travel on I-25, metro area south Friday night into Saturday morning. We're talking about heavy wet snow in that area, 6+ inches possible in the south metro area. And again, 2 to 4 inches here in the metro area as well. So again, Friday night into Saturday, expect some slick driving conditions out on the roadways as those temperatures overnight drop down to 25 degrees. So all that precipitation on the roadways is going to freeze. 50 degrees your high today, 39 tomorrow, so much cooler. We're going to make it up to 45 degrees before that storm moves in, dropping those temperatures and bringing us the snow. Overnight lows again Friday to Saturday, 20 degrees in the 20s, topping out around 40 degrees on Saturday, and then we clear out on Sunday, 55 degrees, back in the 60s on Monday, close to 70 degrees by Tuesday, plenty of sunshine. Of course, we will continue to track these 2 waves of snow that are moving into our area. First tomorrow, again, not expecting much in terms of accumulation in and around the metro area. Some certainly accumulation up in the high country. And then another one Friday into Saturday where we could see about 2 to 4 inches here in the metro area and higher accumulation south along I-25. So certainly expect travel impacts for the metro area, south metro area, and certainly south down to the New Mexico border Friday night into Saturday. We will keep tracking this storm and keep you updated on its movements and its timing. In the meantime, get outside and enjoy the sunshine right now. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.